So I'm just from sharing a video on how to always stay in shape, looking always youthful and vibrant, and this just came up for me to share with you the best kinds of oils you should be using to cook with. Oils that will not make you gain a lot of weight, very healthy and good for you to use to cook with. It's because consuming bad oils or fats is like putting H's into your system because they have zero nutrients, and bad fats, they are like the 70% cause of weight gain because they don't easily digest. They just like accumulate, causing belly fat, weight gain and the rest. So you want to go for the healthy choices I'll be sharing with you today, the healthy oils you should be using to prepare your food with. So I'll take you now and show you the different oils I use to cook my food with, which are very healthy and you should consider using them to cook with. So let me not waste your time. I'll take you straight now and show you some. So with that said, one of my best healthy cooking oils is the regular red palm oil. This oil is only healthy when it is not bleached or fried. So if you want to get the full benefits as a healthy oil, avoid bleaching or frying this oil. Just use it as it is, either cooking using the steaming method or the cooking method. Don't fry this oil if you want it to be a healthy oil, because once it is bleached or fried, it becomes unhealthy. It becomes bad cholesterol. So it is made using the palm fruit, and they get it now to the oil package and sell. So yeah, this oil is so good. This is what I use to cook most of my traditional dishes with it. It is loaded with so many vitamins, most especially vitamin E. This oil is rich. It easily digests, as I said, without bleaching. If you bleach the oil, it becomes bad fats. But if you want to get the full benefit of this oil, enjoy the taste of the oil, avoid frying, use your steaming method or cooking method to get the full benefits of your palm oil. The second oil you want to add into your daily life, or your one of your oils, is coconut oil. I use coconut oil a lot. Coconut oil is so healthy, most especially the cold pressed unrefined. This oil is good. It is rich in vitamin E, easily digests, tastes so good in the mouth, will not make you fat because it is good fats, good oils that easily digest. They don't store up, causing unnecessary belly fat and weight gain. So coconut oil is like my best. It's either I'm using palm oil to cook my traditional dishes with, or coconut oil, most especially when I'm frying egg or I'm cooking like food that are not traditional dishes. I go more for my coconut oil. If you see, I've used it a lot. These are the two I tend to. The third oil I'll be sharing with you, I don't really use too much. These are my two I tend to a lot: my regular palm oil and coconut oil. Very healthy. I don't bleach them, so I get the full benefits of these oils. Don't bleach or fry these oils. The third oil I use a lot is olive oil, and most especially I use it when I want to make my salad cream. That is what I use to make my salad cream with. I can use it once in a while to fry my egg with, but I mostly tend to coconut oil because it tastes so good and it makes your scrambled egg taste so good as well. So I love olive oil for my salad, most especially certain dishes I want to cook. I can just drop in a little bit of olive oil. Yeah, so these are my healthy oils. These three oils are like the best oils I tend to, and I don't fry my oils. Take note, don't fry your food. Use the steaming method to prepare your food so you get the benefits of these oils. Any other oil other than these, I don't know. All the commercially sold oils I don't use. These are my best oils I use, and they easily digest. They don't store up, causing belly fat, weight gain. These are good for your system. No bad cholesterol to cause high blood, all the pressures, weight gain, obesity, diabetes and the rest. So I hope somebody found this video helpful. Thumbs up if you found the video helpful, and see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.